all curator and aspirator of class 12th maths in Kana math classes concerning to CBSE board. Now in this video I will try the integral under question number 10, that is I equal to sin 4x dx. Here in this integral we will also use the trigonometrical identities. Hence we will write as sin x sin qx dx. Trigonometrical identity sin 3x is equal to sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Here we see the term sin cube x. This term sin cube x will be converted by trigonometrical identities in the term of x and 3x. Now in order to make it 4 sin cube x, we will divide by 4 sin x into 4 sin cube x dx. Here we know the identities. Sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. By transferring in another side, we will have 4 sin cube x is equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x. 3 sin x minus sin 3x, we will use this trigonometrical identity in order to integrate the very function. Hence 1 upon 4 sin x. We will replace 4 sin cube x dx by 3 sin x minus 3 sin by 3 sin x minus sin 3x. 3 sin x minus sin 3x dx. Again if we write in terms of 2 sin a sin b, we must multiply by 1 by 2 and sin x 3 sin x. This will become 3 sin x will be equal to sin square x minus 2 sin x sin 3x sin x sin 3x. Here we clearly inspect that in order to take in the form of 2 sin a sin b, 2 sin a sin b, this is trigonometrical identities. If we multiply sin x into 3 sin x, this will be 3 sin square x, and 2 minus 2 sin x sin 3x, and this whole will be dx. Here इधर यहाँ dx. Now this is 1 by 8 and integral 3 into 2 sin square x. You already know that cos 2x identities. Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Here we see 3 into 2 sin square x. The 2 sin square x will be converted into 1 minus cos 2x. 3 into 1 minus cos 2x and 2 sin a sin b. 2 sin a sin b, this is a trigonometrical identity which has expansion like cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. Hence, it will be cos a minus b x minus 3x minus cos a plus b x plus 3x, and here we may write as dx. Now you may integrate this very easily. तो ये हो जाएगा 1/8 3 into dx, 1/8 into 3 dx minus 3/8 और cos 2x. Cos 2x means sin 2x divided by derivative of 2x means 2. Here we have already integrated this 3 dx, this will become x, but here minus 3 cos 2x और 1/8 तो ये हो जाएगा 3/8 sin 2x by 2 minus here you will be eligible to understand this 1/8 integral x minus 3x cos minus 2x, and you know already cos minus theta is equal to cos theta, hence it will be cos 2x और माइनस माइनस प्लस, तो प्लस 1/8 and this will become cos 4x dx. Here due to lack of, now we will write here 3/8 dx means x 3/8x, and this will be 3/8 into 2 3/16 sin 2x, and this will be minus 1/8 sin 2x by 2, and this will be 1/8 cos 4x means sin 4x, sin 4 cos integral cos 4x will be integral sin 4x divided by 4 plus c. Now we see already two terms including sin 2x, तो 3/8x और minus 1/16, if you take common in this term 8 to 16, 1/16, so here in the bracket this will be 3 sin 2x plus sin 2x, and this is equal to 1/8 into 4, 1/32 sine 4x plus c. Again, this will be 3/8 x, 3 sine 2x or plus sine 2x, 4 sine 2x. 1/16 into 4 sine 2x, and this is 1/32 sine 4x plus c. Here, if you divide this by 4, so you will write here 3/8x, 3/8x minus 1/4 sine 2x plus 1/32 sine 4x plus c plus c. This is the requisite. Start to integrate the question number 11, that is integral I is equal to cos 4 2x dx. Here we may convert this integral into cos 2x into cos cube 2x dx. We already stated that we will use the trigonometrical identities in terms of cos cube x or 4 cos cube x. Hence, we will substitute 1/4 cos 2x into 4 cos cube 2x dx. We know that cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. This is well-known trigonometrical identities. From this identity, we will substitute the value of 4 cos cube x. Here we have 4 cos cube of 2x, and this identity is equal to 4 cos cube x, means cos 3x plus 3 cos x. Cos 3x plus 3 cos x. Instead of x, we will replace by 2x. It means 1/4 1/4 integral cos 2x, and this will become cos 3x plus 3 cos x. Cos 3x की जगह 2x plus 3 cos 2x dx. We have replaced instead of 4 cos cube 2x dx by a trigonometrical identity, that is cos 3 into 2x plus 3 cos 2x, and further we will convert into a next trigonometrical identities by doing this. 2 cos 2x, 2 cos 2x. Here we have already written 1/2, hence here we have taken 2 cos 2x multiply by cos 3 into 2x, means cos 6x. Again 2 3 2 into 3 6 cos 2x into cos 2x dx. Here we will write 1/8. This is also a part of trigonometrical identity, that is 2 cos A 2 cos B. 2 cos A cos B means cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Cos A plus B cos 2x plus 6x plus cos A minus B 2x minus 6x. By virtue of trigonometrical identity of the type 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. In the same way, if we write 6 into 3 into 2, so twice cos 2x or cos 2x means twice cos square 2x, twice cos square 2x and whole of dx. Now this will become 1 by 8 integral cos 2x plus 6x cos 8x dx, and here cos 2x minus 6x cos minus 4x. By virtue of cos minus theta is equal to cos theta, we may write this as cos 4x, cos 4x dx. Here again 3 into 2 cos square 2x. This is next trigonometrical identity. 2 cos square x means cos 2x is equal to twice cos square x minus 1. This will be equal to 1 plus cos 2x. 1 plus cos 2x. यह है twice cos square 2x. If you write cos 2x, then it will become twice cos square x minus 1. So this will be 1 plus cos 2x. Instead of 2x we have written 4x. तो ये हो जाएगा 1 plus cos 2 into 2x means cos 4x dx. Now we will differentiate this. Cos 8x, integral of cos 8x will be equal to sin 8x divided by the derivative of 8x means 8 into 1 by 8. And here 1 by 8 cos 4x means sin 4x upon derivative of 4x, that is 4. Here we have 3 plus 1 dx. This will be 3 dx. Integral 3 dx means 3x upon 8 and 3 into cos 4x. Integral of cos 4x will be equal to sin 4x upon 4 plus c. Now due to lack of space we will rub the upper part of the blackboard. Now we will write the integral is equal to first of all 3x by 8, 3x by 8, and this will be 1 upon 8 into 8, 64, 1 upon 64 of sin 8x, and here we have sin 4x common in these two terms. Now sin 4x 1 upon 32, and this is 3 by 4, 3/4, तो एलसीएम ऑफ 32 और 4 विल बिकम 32, 1 और ये हो जाएगा 24, 25. हाँ, नाउ I will be 3x/8, 1/64 sin 8x sin 4x. Here we will get 1/32, and we have written here also 3/8 because we have taken common 1/8 as a whole. So this will be 3/32. 3/32. Hence it will be 3x by 8, 1/64 sin 8x, 1/32 or 3/32, 4/32, 4, 8 या 32, 1/8 sin 4x plus c, या plus c. All the solution. In question number 12, we have written integral I is equal to sin square x whole upon 1 plus cos x dx. It will be very easier to solve this question by alternative method other than using trigonometrical identities. We have sin square x means 1 minus cos square x, and this is equal to 1 plus cos x dx, and by virtue of factor a square minus b square, I mean a plus b into a minus b, so 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x dx. Here 1 plus cos x will be cut by this. Simply the integral remain 1 minus cos x dx, and you know, if you bifurcate this integral into integral, this will become 1 into dx minus integral cos x dx. Here this will become x, dx means x, or cos x means sin x plus c. Well, this is the solution. Thank you for watching this video. I appeal you to comment and subscribe this video. Next video will come on later on.